Namaskar and welcome back to Linux Fundamentals. So in this video we will see the next utility command, that is the history command. History command is a very useful command in Linux to see what was executed earlier. So history command gives you the previously executed commands. So whatever commands we execute in Linux, all these commands get stored as a history in Linux, and we can go through any command anytime whenever you wish using the history command. So the options that we use with history command are history. You can specify directly the number. So if you want to see what was the fifth command that you typed earlier or before, so you can say history 5, so that will display the fifth command, and it also displays what was the output for that command. Similarly, if you want to execute the command with some serial number, so history number, by typing the first option history and number, it will simply displays the name of the command, whereas the exclamation and number will execute the command directly. The moment you type history exclamation and the serial number of the command, then it executes the command there itself. Then the third option is history double exclamation, so that will repeat the last command that was executed. So this is how the history command is useful to see what are the commands that we had executed in previously or in the past. So Linux stores the history of all the commands that we enter on the terminal, and whenever you wish you can go through the commands that were displayed. So let's jump to the demonstration and see how the history command works. So we can see the manual about the history command. So it shows you the history library, so it stores the library of the commands that the user enters. So you can just go through the description and see what all is mentioned about the history command. So let's execute the parameters. So the first option that we see is, now if we want to see what were the last 6 commands that we had executed earlier, so you can type history 6. So it lists the commands that were executed prior or executed till now. So it shows you the list of the commands that were executed. So history 10, it shows you 10 commands that were executed in the past or recently. Then we see the next option, that is history exclamation, and say now I want to execute the fifth command here. So say 5. So it shows you that it had executed the history command, and there was some error with the history command. Let's see some more numbers. So here it shows you the 10th command what was executed. So what is cd? This was the command that was executed, and it shows you the output. It shows you the output of this command. Then we have the double exclamation, history double exclamation. So again it executes the last command that was executed. So for example, if I execute say ls, and now if I say history double exclamation, you can see it shows you the ls command that was executed, the last command. So this is how the history command is used in Linux. So this is how we use the history commands, so to see what commands were executed in the past or till that point of time. Thanks for watching the video. If you have liked the video, please click on the like button and share your views and suggestions with us by writing in the comment section below. and encourage us by subscribing to our channel, and please do not forget to click on the alert bell so that you don't miss our upcoming videos on our channel. So see you in the next video. Till then, take care, stay safe. Thank you.